Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hire scouts in Madden 27 franchise mode. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, just go to manage roster tab and look for the option scouting. Keep in mind this option is only available for people who are in regular season. If you're not, just grind until you see the option scouting. So select scouting and go to the option scouts and you'll able to see all of your scouts. So right here, before you hire someone, you gotta fire someone first. So if you wanna hire someone with 1 star tier, then you gotta fire someone with 1 star tier, otherwise you won't be able to hire. So let's say if I want to replace someone with Aaron, then I gotta fire him first. So for that, press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox, select confirm, select OK. Now we can go to free agent scouts. For that, just hold L2 on PlayStation or LT on Xbox, and in free agent scouts you need to look for someone with 1 star tier, otherwise you won't be able to hire. Like let me show you. If I press the key for hire scout, which is triangle on PlayStation and Y on Xbox, select confirm, we'll get this error like unable to hire scout. Each scout has tier from 1 to 3, so that's why we gotta look for someone with 1 star tier. So let me sort this. Okay, let's say we wanna hire Anna. So I can press triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox, select confirm, select OK. You can see we hired Anna. You can see Anna is here. So we can simply assign the region to her. For that, simply select the scouts and just choose the region which you would like to assign. I'll go for Northeast, and yeah, there you go. It is that easy. So yeah, this is the process you need to follow to hire scouts in Madden 27 franchise mode. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.